So, Willie, you mentioned 50 million shillings. Are you now going to redeploy these resources? And what is your advice to the people who live in the lowlands where sometimes they are swept away by the floods going forward?
Trevor, the 50 million I've talked about was not for El Nino, but was for emergency response that the county budgets for every single year. And like my colleague in Nairobi is saying, I hope that is the true situation in Nairobi, we have nothing to escalate down because there was no upward escalation anyway or in the first place. Now, Trevor, I know we don't want to talk about this, but out of the advice that we first received from the national government, there has been preparation by national government agencies and by national government to mitigate the effects of El Nino. And the same has been with counties, of course, save for Kisumu, because what I'm saying is what is factual. Even as I get into the details of what we are doing to just ensure that those who are in the lowlands are taken care of, I want to say from Kisumu that money is likely to be lost. I know that probably counties may be able to route the money if they decided to put money aside for El Nino. That now we know is not going to be there. But you also have national government agencies and national government who are putting a lot of money that, you know, if the country is not keen, will be lost. I want to just let you know that in the last 2 weeks, for example, we have had a 2-day symposium in Kisumu, national symposium, that is talking about disaster risk reduction. So basically, agencies, national government, many county governments, by the way, were basically ready to mitigate the effects of El Nino by spending some, amounts of money in some specific areas. Even if not for this meeting, I think that that's something that needs to be done. Now, what you've done in the county of Kisumu, for example, we have mapped out, just like I said earlier, but we have also set up what we call here and elsewhere, of course, rapid response teams that is both at the county, is at the sub-county, at the ward, and at the village level, because in as far as our structure is concerned in the county of Kisumu, the lowest level of county government administration is at the village level. We have an emergency response center at the county with a toll-free number. Now, this has been there since the days of COVID-19. We have also mapped out facilities that are likely to be affected. So, for example, if there's a dispensary or a health center that may be flooded, then those who are living around there then must get alternative avenues for seeking help in the event that they get affected. Now, we also have partners like the Red Cross and the business community in Kisumu, who have worked together to put in place what we are calling wash commodities that, we may quickly use to intervene in the event that, we experience more rains that we have done before. And all this, Trevor, has been done by the people of Kisumu and the people of the region, and especially the business community and their partners, just for free. We are not buying. I mean, the people come together and just contribute things so that when things happen, we are able to respond.